Oh, that's a bush moon. I thought it was a rattlesnake. Yeah, there's snakes here. Alright guys, this video has absolutely nothing to do with metal detecting. I've got a family member who is terminally ill right now and I'm having to stay close to home. So the metal detecting videos will resume sometime in the future. But right now I'm practicing photography and videography, so when we do get back to the metal detecting and scuba diving videos, the footage will be even better. But this is my new camera. Got a special treat today if you guys want to hang out with me. I've got what we call here in the South a red-headed woodpecker, but it has a proper name and we'll put that in the description. I also have a hawk. She has a nest in that tree, and I'll show you an image of the nest that I shot with this right here so you can see what's going on. It's high up in this pine tree. She's in and out working on the nest, and she's, you know, building it and getting it ready for what? Her babies. So we're going to try to get some good footage of her and some good still photos of it, and without disturbing her. We don't want to disturb her. I've got another lens coming that will zoom out even further so I can be further away from the subject, and we don't want to disturb, you know, a caring mother for her babies. So we do want to get some good pictures. But you guys are welcome to hang out with me. It's an adventure. I'm close to home, but it's not a metal detecting adventure. It's a nature adventure, so stay tuned. Now, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I absolutely love nature. I'll get up there where I can see you. Okay guys, so you guys can see right there is the nest. So she's coming in and out. She's got it pretty well, you know, hidden up in that tree. It's pretty well camouflaged. I almost want to think that there may be eggs in the nest now, but I don't know. But we're going to attempt to get some good photos. So stay tuned. What a beautiful bird. What a beautiful bird. We need to see if we can get some video. Wow, what beautiful video. Wow. Look at there, what a beautiful bird. Stunning. I don't know if you guys can hear the sounds of nature that we got going on here, but you can hear the birds, and it's just really, really peaceful. This is a really peaceful deal. Okay, so I got one. I got a crow flying. No, I got a bald eagle. I got a bald eagle. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Bald eagle. Crow after bald eagle. That's a bald eagle, guys. It's a bald eagle. I hope one of them caught. That was the lighting down here. I'm in the shade, so I'm shooting up into the sky, and it's kind of tricky. As you guys know, I'm learning and I'm taking photography and videography, and that's kind of one of those hard things to do. But that was a bald eagle, dude. That's my first bald eagle picture with this camera. And it looks like he's coming back. Come on back. Come on back. There he is. Bald eagle. When I get that big zoom lens, I would be right up on that bird, but I'm not right now. I'm only at 200. There he is right there. Seems like a machine gun, don't it? There he is. Come on. Stay right there. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. Oh, he's up there. Man, he's a quarter of a, he's up there. Wow, he caught one of those, you know how you see birds catch that like wave and all? Well, he caught one, man. He's up there. He's about that big to the naked eye. So, I hope that one of these photos is going to be good and we can show you the bald eagle. So, stay tuned. We got the South Carolina. Oh, there's a butterfly. You guys want me to get a shot of a butterfly? Let's see if we can get him to land. I mean, he's a stunner too. You hear the crows? A lot of times, you know, I know this from my days when I was young of hunting, when you hear the crows raising cane like that, they'll be after a hawk, and like you guys just seen earlier, they were after an eagle. I've seen them even do it with turkeys and deer before. So if you're in the woods and you hear a crow, pay attention to him sometimes, because he may be alerting you that something else is there. Yeah, boy. That might turn out to be a real good photo. I got a dragonfly, a green one. Looks really cool. All right, guys, I see a red bird over here. I'm gonna attempt to get up on him. There's another one right there, just flew across. Alright guys, this reminds me a lot like metal detecting. You've got to focus and concentrate and pay attention. It's kind of much like when you're metal detecting and you get focused on the tones and you're in your own little zone. And I'm talking and I think creatures are sneaking up on me. Give me just a minute.